last day in Portland, and it's raining pretty much the first day for the most part since I've been here, which is, doesn't get luckier than that. I have fallen in love with this city, with Forest Park and the Wildwood Trail in the fall and the fam, and it's just been, I mean, I could literally see myself living in Portland. I never thought I'd say that. I think it's 90% because of the weather, but whatever. It's still just a great feeling to have that. Finished getting packed right now. I'm gonna head to the airport in about an hour, hour and a half, and maybe I'll show you how I'm attempting to pack for this trip, probably unsuccessfully. And I'll probably look back at this and laugh, but maybe that'll be fun. So this is everything I'm taking in my big bag. These are just like 2.5 gallon Ziplocs, you know, dry fit shirts, non-dry fit shirts, dry fit polos, a couple different things, running pants, base layers, underwear, socks, more shirts, pickleball paddle, that's ambitious. We'll see if I play out there. Big bag, you know, books, everything's gonna go in here, all that clothes, hopefully. This is gonna stay with me at all times. Passport, couple books, Isabel Allende, and a Vietnamese Buddhist monk, rain jacket, passport, driving passport, charger, sleep gummies, snacks, all that stuff. This bag will also stay with me. There's also some clothes in case the big bag gets lost. I've got 2 days worth of clothes and riding gear, and then that's pretty much it. Even though I'm heading out in an hour to Santiago, I have a place to stay in Santiago for 3 nights, and then my first night in Osorno, and then I've booked 0 of the days on this dirt biking trip because I still haven't figured out exactly what I want to do. I got an itinerary from a tour group that charges $9,200 for this trip. I literally just downloaded their tour, called the local operator they use, and just rented a bike. I'm not gonna pay $9,200. I mean, it's insane. $1,700 for bike plus rental and everything, and then I'll just get whatever hotel along the way. You know, it's not, you know, peak season, tourist season. Hotels are gonna be open, hopefully at a discount. And then I haven't booked anywhere to stay in Rio. I booked my flight to Rio. I haven't booked anywhere to stay in Rio, and I haven't booked my flight out of Rio. Just started researching Madeira, which I'm super pumped about, and a little bit of Rome, but Rome's gonna be easy.